The 3 easiest ways for newbies to start in affiliate marketing. The 3 easiest ways for newbies to start in affiliate marketing. With the aid of the internet, you can almost have everything right at your fingertips. With just a few clicks, you get access to thousands and even millions of pieces of information and data on virtually any field of interest. As years pass by, the internet continues to affect radical changes in many facets of human endeavors, including commerce. Experts say that the information space, commonly known as the World Wide Web, grows by over 1 million pages every day as more and more people utilize the internet for information, education, entertainment, business and other personal reasons. It doesn't take a business-oriented individual to realize that this phenomenon can bring about sky-high financial gains. The internet's fast-growing popularity in the recent years is surely an opportunity for business that any entrepreneur would not want to miss. You might be thinking only businessmen can make much money out of the internet, don't you? Think again. You too can earn big bucks through the internet even if you don't have products to sell and high-profile an established company. How? That is through affiliate marketing. You might have come across these words over the net while surfing. Affiliate marketing is a revenue sharing between a merchant and an affiliate who gets paid for referring or promoting the merchant's products and services. It is one of the burgeoning industries nowadays because it is proven to be cost-efficient and quantifiable means of attaining great profit both for the merchant and the affiliate and other players in the affiliate program, such as the affiliate network or affiliate solution provider. Affiliate marketing works effectively for the merchant and the affiliate. To the first, he gains opportunities to advertise his products to a larger market, which increases his chances to earn. The more affiliate websites or hardworking affiliates he gets, the more sales he can expect. By getting affiliates to market his products and services, he is saving himself time, effort and money in looking for possible markets and customers. When a client clicks on the link in the affiliate website, purchases the product, recommends it to others who look for the same item or buys it again, the merchant multiplies his chances of earning. On the other hand, the affiliate marketer benefits from each customer who clicks on the link in his website and who actually purchases the product or avails of the service provided by the merchant. In most cases, the affiliate gets commission per sale, which can be fixed percentage or fixed amount. If you want to be an affiliate marketer and make fortunes out of the internet, you may follow the following 3 most basic and easiest ways to start an effective affiliate marketing program. First is to identify a particular thing you are interested in or passionate about so you won't be bored and forced to develop your affiliate website later on. Focusing on a specific area you know very well will help you bring out your best without much risks and effort. You can add a personal touch to your site and give your visitors who are possible buyers an impression that you are an expert in your field. In this way, you gain their trust and eventually encourage them to buy the products you endorse. Next is to look for good-paying merchants and products or services related to your interest and create now a website. In choosing the products, you must also consider its conversion rate. Thank you for watching.